How are you, family? How are they? It's a pleasure to be with you again. Today I bring you a French bobcat tutorial, but stay with me so you can learn how to make this cut in a very easy way. Also, I tell you that this cut is super trendy. It is important that you learn to do it. The sections that we are going to do with Elena are going to be in the front part. We are going to make a division from ear to ear and a part in the middle. On the back, we are going to make a section in the middle of the ear. But I'm going to start with the cut at the bottom of the neck. I'm going to take the entire section, bring it to the center, and mark my cut guide. We are going to do a French bob. These cuts are completely even both on the back and on the sides. You can do it with bangs or without bangs. The bangs that we are going to give this girl are in trend, and it is important that they know how to do them. We are going to cut the entire section at 0 degrees, leaving a completely even straight line. Once the guide has been marked, we are going to take a section from the center. We are going to raise it to $90 and we are going to cut off that excess tip. We are going to take the shortest as a guide. This will help us ensure that the cut has a better fit so that the ends do not stick up, but when you dry the hair, it is completely even and without the ends rising. We're going to take out the next section and we're going to take our center line. We are going to glue it to the neck so that the 0 GR is well marked, and we are going to cut straight. On the sides, we are going to do the same procedure. If you notice here, I am cutting the hair in the direction in which it fits and cutting it at 0 G hectares. I go down to the next section and perform the same previous procedure. This cut has to be completely straight, very even. They have to check it constantly so that there are no excess tips. If there are any tips left over, they must be removed. Here we do the same cutting procedure for all sections of the part from the crown of the head to the nape of the neck. If you notice here, I am not doing any lifting. I am cutting everything straight at 0 G. Only lift I did was in the lower neck. This cut is very simple, but you do have to make several cuts so that you can get practice. We go down the last section and do the same procedure. It is important that once they cut the hair, they comb it again and glue it well at 0 degrees so that they verify that there are no extra ends. This cut has to be as straight as possible and check it constantly so that there are no ends at the cheek. See how I place my fingers in my hair to put more pressure on it and make it look more even. Once the back part is finished, we are going to go to the side. They I take out my first section. I wear my hair in the direction of its growth. I look for a little bit of from the back and cut it completely straight. So bottom saja sama. See how I take hair from the back, and that is what gives me the guide to make the cut from the front. I do the same procedure on the next side. With this, notice we already obtained a completely straight cut. The cut is currently in trend. The concave cut, this same cut with the longer front part. At this moment, the cut that I make the most is this one that you are seeing now. Would you like to learn how to do haircuts, makeup, coloring, and many more things? I want to tell you that I made this channel thinking precisely about you. So I invite you to subscribe and ring the bell to activate notifications and not miss a single video. Finally, we are going to go to the bangs. I want you to see the section that I am doing. It's an inverted V. I want you to see how I mark my section up to the sides. It depends on this that we have these bangs that are in super trend. I'm going to divide this section of the bangs into two, but I separate the top part of the bangs with a clip, and I'm going to twist the rest of the hair this way you're seeing it, and I'm going to cut it depending on the length I want. With this, when I fold it, the sides will be longer and the center will be shorter. Once cut, I move down the next section and follow the guide for cutting the bangs body. I want you to observe how I place my hands, how I cut the sides. I cut them diagonally and the front part at 0G tie. Once the side is joined to the center, I am going to take the bangs. I am going to raise the center to 180 degrees and cut the excess ends. I take the sides to the center and join them together and cut the excess ends. This way I will get a curtain bang that is super trendy with the shorter center. These rounded bangs are in trend. I highly recommend them because they can be worn by both young girls and women of any age. You are going to leave something that you like the most. Yeah, que aquí en mente is that I love this girl's coloring, so she has to wear super trendy bangs. Finally, we are going to check that this cut is completely even, and for that, we are going to take small strands from both sides. We are going to take them to the center, and we are going to check that it is even. This color fascinates me. They are fashionable colors that can be worn equally by young girls and women of any age. And if you give a plus to coloring with a beautiful cut, as is the case with Lena, believe me, you will look beautiful at all times. It is important that you dare to get colors and cuts with which you can highlight your beauty even more. I leave you the final result of this cut. As you could see, it is a very simple and very precise technique. And if you want to achieve it, it's a matter of starting to practice it. I tell you that this cut is super trendy and looks beautiful on women of any age. I want to tell you that bangs give a very jovial and very fresh touch regardless of age, as I mentioned before. Thank you, family, for joining me in this video tutorial. Remember, the basis of learning is always practice. So I invite you to practice and practice until you lose your fear of cutting your hair. Thanks for joining me. I send you a big hug, many blessings, and see you next time.